Ricinus communis, the scientific name for the castor oil plant, yields the seeds that are used to make castor oil, a versatile vegetable oil. It has been utilized for ages in a variety of industrial, medical, and cosmetic applications. Many health advantages of castor oil are believed to come from its high content of ricinoleic acid, a special kind of fatty acid. The following list contains 5 possible health advantages of castor oil. Effects of laxatives. Castor oil is a popular natural laxative. It encourages bowel motions and eases constipation by stimulating the intestines muscles. Its high ricinoleic acid content, which affects the intestinal walls, is thought to be the cause of this effect. Anti-inflammatory properties. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a special fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties. When used topically, castor oil can help ease pain and reduce inflammation brought on by ailments including arthritis, strained muscles, and joint discomfort. Compounds in castor oil have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Because of these qualities, it works well to treat a variety of skin illnesses such as bacterial skin problems, fungal infections like athlete's foot, and acne. Skin moisturization and healing. Due to its high fatty acid and vitamin E content, castor oil is a great skin emollient. It soothes inflammation, aids in wound healing, and moisturizes dry skin. Minor burns, scratches, and wounds can also be treated with castor oil. Hair and scalp health. Applying castor oil to the scalp and hair will help hydrate and feed the hair follicles, encouraging healthy growth and averting breakage and dryness. It's frequently used in treatments for ailments including dandruff and scalp infections, as well as in hair care products to condition the hair and scalp. While castor oil may have certain health advantages, each person's reaction may be different, so it's crucial to utilize it correctly. Before using castor oil internally, especially if you have any underlying medical concerns or are pregnant or nursing, always conduct a patch test and speak with a healthcare provider. Thank you for watching Next Minutes. Please like and subscribe for daily videos about health, nutrition, and diseases.